think I've been working with this office for around 25 years. It's been a really wonderful experience. The one thing that stands out to me is the care and the service that they give to their patients. The staff has been here for a long time, and that's a big component. They know me by name, they ask me how my family is, and it's just a true relationship. I feel like Dr. Kiesel is truly an expert in what she's doing. She's making suggestions to me that are authentic, and the work was done in a very painless way, which was important to me. I just think that she's probably been one of the best dentists that I've ever been to. That's why I keep coming back. I moved from Coppell, and I still drive to her office. I feel that my oral health today is in excellent condition, and I really believe it's because of the continual care that I have received here in the office for many years.